Hi guys, I'm Hord. Welcome to Java programming tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be creating a program that will be connected to a database and will be able to transfer data between from the database to the program without the user inputting it in two different places. Uh, First of all, we'll be starting with creating a database, and for that, I'm using xamp control panel version 3.2.2. You can download that online. It's available for free. And also, after installing your xamp control panel, all you just have to do is start the Apache and MySQL modules, then click the admin for the MySQL to get this interface here. And next we'll be creating a database that we'll be using for the program. So simply go to databases, create database. Now what are we using for our database name? Say tutorial class and enter. So what are we creating here? Admin, how many columns for, press enter to continue. Now we say username, yep, and it's a variable character and the length should be 100. Next, let's say password and variable character and 100 also. First name and last name, the same thing, variable characters and 100 length. And when you are done, just click save. So we have created a database that can handle data for username, password, first name and last name, which you can see over here. Username, password, first name and last name. So next we go to create our application. Go to your netbeans and now file, new project, Java application, yes. Next, and what do we want to call it? Tutorial also, same as our database, and finish. So click on the source packages, new Java class, and we're calling this connection class. And okay, so before we add codes to this, I'd like us to import a library, which is the Java MySQL connector 5.1. You can download it online. It's available for free. Anyway, you can download it from Oracle's page or anywhere else. So go to your libraries, right click on it, click add jar folder, and this is, I left mine in the downloads folder, so you can just choose where you place the file and select it there. So this is it. Now click open. Now since it has added that folder, I can now continue with my programming. What do I want to put here? First of all, I'm going to call a connection connection equals null. So Java will tell me to import com.mysql.jdbc.connection or import java.sql.connection, and none of them would work, so just choose any one you like. And next we're going to be saying public static connection the capital C connection connects, and next. So here I'm going to say return con. And okay, so what do we want to use over here? First of all, we have to call in the type of database system we're using, which is MySQL, by saying class dot for name, and what is the system we're using, com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver, and next we say connection con equals driver manager dot get connection. Yep, here you are. And now we fix the URL, which is the address of our database. And since we have used a local host, we are just going to say jdbc colon mysql colon, also then double slash, and say localhost and one more slash and tutorial. That is the name of our database. So next we're going to be adding the username and password for the database, which is empty, so you can just use root over here and the end. Now yes, fine, we're going to fix imports. And what is it asking for again? It said add throw clause. So okay, we're supposed to run it with a try and catch. Sorry, so try and catch, that is what we're supposed to use. Take this out, you don't need all this, you don't need all this exception e, and that's all we need. So j option pin that show message dialog and null e to tell us if there was an error. This is wrong. Okay, option B. Okay, add import for java.swing.joption pane and click that. So what is it asking for here? Cast get connection, change the type of con to connection. Yeah, con is a connection. That is wrong. Okay, we are going to change this to java.sql.connection, because that was all we used here. Now if you run this program, it won't run because there's no main method. So go to your source packages, right click new, and let's click check frame form. Yeah, finish, and go to your source. Now in the initializing components, we are going to be saying connection class dot what connect. And so come back here, and what do we want the system to do if this works out? We say j option pane dot show message dialog, and it's null, sorry, and connection established. So if you right click now and take this out, so right click and run file, does not have a main method, but if we run this, click and okay, it said something just now, run file. So it said Java language class not found exception mysql the jdbc driver, which we have added previously over here. I think if you go to your libraries, you would see mysql connector java, which it complained about. So go back to your connection class, and now that means we have an issue from here. We have to fix the mysql was wrong, so we are coming back here to correct that. Here mysql, and also I noticed the name of our database is tutorial class, so we are changing that back to tutorial class. So go to your new jframe and run file. Let's see what we have here. Here you go, connection established. So we have successfully connected our program to a database, the localhost database on the system. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day.